Welcome to our guide on how to turn off calling features on Twitter using your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, open Twitter on your PC and navigate to the Messages tab by clicking on the corresponding icon. Next, locate the Settings cog icon in the top right corner of the screen and click on it to access the Settings menu. Within the Settings menu, look for the option to enable or disable audio and video calling features. Uncheck the box next to Enable Audio and Video Calling. To turn off this functionality on Twitter, by disabling the calling feature, you can prevent incoming audio and video calls from being initiated on the platform, providing you with a more focused and streamlined messaging experience. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to disable calling features on Twitter using your PC. Customize your Twitter experience by managing your audio and video calling preferences. Enjoy uninterrupted messaging and communication on the platform by turning off calling features according to your preferences.